Hello friends, do you dream of having your own business? Well, the right time to start a business and fulfill all of your dreams is now. Here we present 11 business ideas which you can consider starting tomorrow. In this video, we will be focusing on the retail business ideas. First of all, let's discuss some requirements for retail business. The first requirement is a good retail location. It may be in a shopping mall or in a busy market so that you can have lots and lots of customers. The second requirement is you should be dealing in big, well-established branded products which are already a hit with the customers so that your sales are fast. The third requirement is that you should be having good negotiation skills both with the customers as well as with the suppliers so that you are able to maximize your profits. The fourth requirement is that having some previous retail experience would help you a lot. The fifth is finance. Either you can invest your own money or you can have a business partner to go along with you. The sixth step is motivation. Keep saying to yourself, "This is so easy, I can do it." So friends, let us start. The first is that you can start dealing in electronics like computers, laptops, mobiles, tablets, cameras, TVs, etc. The second type of business is that you can start business of selling clothes. They may be formal, semi-formal, clothes for sporting activities, etc. The third is that you can start business of selling shoes. They may be formal, casual, as well as sports shoes. The fourth is that you can start selling household appliances. For example, washing machines, refrigerators, ovens, mixers, vacuum cleaners, etc. The fifth is that you can start business of selling stationery items like pens, pencils, notebooks, paper, etc. The sixth is that you can start selling fast-moving consumer products, which we also call as FMCG products. They are like soaps, toothpaste, toothbrush, washing powder, ready-to-eat snacks, etc. You can also start a business of selling items like handbags, wallets, belts, etc. The eighth is that you can start business of selling furniture and related items. The ninth idea is that you can start selling sports goods, toys, games, etc. Friends, the 10th idea is that you can start business of selling gift items, handicraft items, etc. Friends, the 11th idea is that along with physical retailing through shops, you can also start selling your own private label products through e-commerce sites like Amazon, etc. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on 11 business ideas for starting a retail business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would be uploading a new video soon. This video is for entertainment and general educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor before spending money for starting any business or for making any investment. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon in order to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.